Yeah, so we gon' be.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel.
No.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is me Bipumo, and if you are a new subscriber, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I make videos every Saturday. Okay.
Oh my God, why you always lying?
So guys, first of all, I'm gonna tell you guys what makeup I use, like which company and all and such. So to be honest, I don't know anything about makeup. So I'm sorry if you get offended. Just be with me. It's toner. So this is the toner which I use, and I bought it months ago. Sorry, about months from Claire. So it was recommended by one of my friends. So it is quite good. Then next thing is foundation cushion from Maybelline New York. It has got SPF 20. I don't know much about makeup, so just don't get offended. I may say anything wrong. So next is Johnson Baby Cream, and which I use as a moisturizer. And then we have got mascara. So even this is from Maybelline New York, and it is a waterproof mascara, but to be honest, it easily get washed away when you splash water on it. So then next thing is we have got this auto eyebrow pencil from Innisfree. Okay. Yes, so this is quite nice. I mean, just look at me. I don't have eyebrow at all, and when I just apply it, and it just come out and it looks nice. So don't forget to apply this eyebrow pencil, and most probably for the Asians. Then next is I've got my eyeshadow. I don't know to apply eyeshadow at all, so I may ruin this video if I apply eyeshadow on my eyes. So next thing is, yes, this one is very important for your eyelashes. Yeah. And I'm very sorry, I don't know what it's called. Then next thing is your lipstick, so very important. Then, oh my god, yeah. So this is the lip gloss from Maybelline again. So Maybelline. Alright, so and there are a few other things which I bought from my friends. We have got this eyeshadow. Again, eyeshadow. So I usually don't apply eyeshadows, but today in this video I'm just hoping that I'll just try once, so it doesn't harm. So okay, so done with the introduction. Let's get started. What are you guys waiting for? So guys, first thing is you need to take a cotton pad. Okay, you can easily get the cotton pad anywhere, and it's quite cheap. So take your cotton pad, apply the toner over the cotton pad. Okay, yes, just clean your face. Need to tap it. That's it for the absorption. Okay, because the toner is refreshing. Just take a little bit of Johnson Baby, right? And I don't know, some people just like do all these things, and for me, I mean, it's better if you just make it like this and tap it. That's it. You don't have to do anything. So after this, what I do is your cushion. Let's see. Okay, so just apply. Actually, one of my friend came, so she's looking at me, staring at me like I'm some alien or something. Right now she's staring at me, so we're not gonna go there. So just focus here.
Thank God, don't come here.
Yeah. Oh my God, you're spoiling my makeup. Next thing. So guys, next thing what I have to do is, usually I don't apply any what to say, eyeshadow. So this time we are gonna try eyeshadow. Okay, so maybe this is, oh my God, where did I get it? It's right here. Eyebrow, and as you can see that I have not done anything today. So what I feel is my eyebrows gonna look so awful in this video. So anyway, let's get started. Well then, so guys, I'm done with all this, and next is eyeshadow. But let me tell you guys, I don't apply eyeshadow as such. I borrowed few eyeshadows from my friends, and I just want to see how it looks if I apply eyeshadows. So I'm just hoping that I don't ruin any of the makeup if I apply them. Okay. Whenever I see this, it reminds me of my sister, because she gave me this whole big thing. What do you call brush? This is the eyeshadow. So then take this again. Oh my God, I'm tired. Thing is, your eyelashes, very important. Your mascara. That's why I don't like when I apply eyeshadow, I look so awful. Then next again. Okay, I just like doing this so that my eyelashes stays proper in curve. Next is this, your lip gloss. Thing shines, right? And sometimes I just use this lipstick. I just do like that, and then I'll just put it in the middle. So we are done. I think that's it. I don't know whether you guys like it or not, but make sure to comment below whether I did it properly and whether I should put makeup or not, because I don't usually put makeup. And shit. How do I look? Okay guys, that's the end of the video. And if you like my video, And if you want to see me coming with more videos, you should subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and we will see on next Saturday. Bye.
Those doors, I'm a fool for your love. Yeah, so we gon' be